Hello, welcome. In this video we're going to find out what services can you get from your IMEI number on your iPhone 14 using the IMEI.info website. So to get your IMEI number, you can get it by going to the settings and looking in about for section and stuff like that, or you can just dial this number and you'll get the info straight away from your phone app on your iPhone, and that's the quickest way to do that. And then enter the IMEI.info website and just type in your IMEI number right here. Press check IMEI. You will now get some basic info about your phone, but you can check the full specification and other stuff like that if you're interested. But let's just get back. If you scroll down, you'll find the basic checks, which are the Apple SIM lock check via IMEI and serial number, and this is the same thing as the SIM lock check, but you'll have to have the serial number, which is located in your about phone section or on your phone box. You have the blacklist simple check, the Apple serial number check, but this is not compatible with the Apple 14, I believe, because it's up to Apple iPhone 12, I think. Then you have the eSIM compatibility check, the random email generator, MAC address check, MAC address generator, carrier lookup by phone number. You can also add your device to the IMEI.info lost/stolen database, and you can also check if your newly bought used device was added here, just in case. And then also you have the advanced checks, which are the paid ones, and you have, for example, the Apple carrier unlock status and find my iPhone status, Apple sold by and coverage, blacklist premium check, and the T-Mobile USA ESN status check, the Verizon USA ESN status check, and the Apple Unlock. And these are the paid functions, but they only cost like $5 or something. As you can see, $5. So if you need to just use this website if ever needs come. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.